Patek Philippe watches are some of the most valued watches in the world, thanks to their incredible craftsmanship and attention to detail. Once you've owned one of their watches, no other watch in your collection will compare. In this video, we're talking about how Patek Philippe makes their watches and what makes them so coveted by collectors around the world. First up, the rich man's Rolex. After being in business for almost 200 years, they've spearheaded the art of modern watchmaking. It's remarkable to note that the company has remained true to its origins and stayed privately owned during all these years. If you know anything about watches, you'd know that the brand has become synonymous with luxury and craftsmanship, commonly referred to as the rich man's Rolex. This watch company is well respected and highly sought after, using fashionable yet timeless designs to craft their watches. For those who can afford it, a Patek Philippe watch is a discreet luxury item, subtle in design and incredible in detail, making it something to be admired rather than just a flashy piece of bling. Owners of these particular watches are well aware of the fact that they have the very best that watchmakers can offer when it comes to heritage, design, and craftsmanship, all rolled into one, quietly sitting on your wrist. And now, how are their watches crafted? The production of these watch pieces is so incredibly detailed that it takes up to 9 months just to make the basic variant, and more than that to produce some of the more complicated designs. And it's really not surprising why it takes this long, since 252 individual parts are assembled by hand to create one luxury timepiece. Most of the work is done by the craftsmen at the company's factory, who are responsible for carefully assembling each watch at their workstations. A simple Patek Philippe movement, like their Calatrava model, takes about 4 years to make. A more complicated movement, such as the Caliber 240 from the Complications World Time, can take up to 6 years to produce. Ultimately, a very complicated movement can take up to 8 years to make. The quality of their hand-applied decorations on the watches, both in technique and style, is quite high during the manufacturing process. Around 60 steps are needed even for the smallest details and parts, like applying the wheels. A handful of highly qualified artisans will then apply processes such as delicate engravings, enamel paintings, and setting precious stones, which all play an extremely significant role in the beauty of the timepiece. Next, everything is crafted in-house. Each watch follows a precise blueprint to make sure every piece is placed in the correct position. Some of the parts are so incredibly tiny that they're almost impossible to see with the naked eye, but the makers must ensure they fit all the right angles to keep the perfect time. These watchmakers also need to test the product to ensure it's in working condition, because even the slightest mistakes can cause a $500,000 watch to malfunction. Who's gonna pay for that? Interestingly enough, each material needed to craft a timepiece is produced in-house. Yep, whatever part is needed within the watch, these luxury watchmakers make sure to produce it in-house, rather than make use of external suppliers. This is largely so they can fully control and maintain their strict standards, which is why their super complicated watches like the Caliber 89 can take many years to produce. But with new advancements in technology, parts of the watch can be very accurately cut to mold the very fine gears that make the watch turn. The base plate of the watch is cut using high-end laser technology, operated by a computer for optimum accuracy. The modern use of technology has definitely helped ensure that all parts of the watch are completely uniform, which ultimately makes them easier to work with. If some parts can't even be seen with the naked eye, we're glad this technology exists, so the watchmakers can have some ease with their complicated work. Despite all this innovation in tech, assembling the watches by hand remains a priority of the company. They claim that mixing traditional techniques with the latest methods maintains the uniqueness of the brand and preserves their heritage, which ultimately only adds to the allure of one of their many watches. Let's talk about how much one of their watches cost, since each piece is delicately assembled by hand, made with the finest materials in the world, and their watchmakers tend to take all the time in the world to craft the perfect timepiece. One thing is for sure, owning the most luxurious watch in the world is definitely gonna cost you, and it's gonna cost a lot. An entry-level mechanical watch like the Aquanaut is going to cost you just over $20,000, and the most expensive watch ever sold in the whole world is the Patek Philippe Grandmaster Chime, which fetched a whopping $31.19 million at an auction in Geneva. You'll be surprised to know that many of these watches that sell for a small fortune are in fact made with the simplest of materials. Although very high in quality, the real expense and value are found inside these watches, where you can find the most mind-blowing amount of complications that make up a watch. Add to that the years spent by the factory's watchmakers assembling each piece by hand, and you have something absolutely priceless, in a way. Up next, how the company maintains exclusivity. Let's say you've got all the money in the world to afford that outrageous price tag, you still might not be able to get your hands on one. They're definitely not easy to come by, since the company only makes about 50,000 of its beautiful watches per year, compared to the popular Swiss brand Rolex, which churns out a massive 700,000 timepieces annually. That's practically nothing. In fact, you might be surprised to know that since 1839, less than 1 million Patek Philippe watches have been made. We're talking about 183 years. That's insane. The main reason for the limited supply is the company's stringent quality control. The company's president, Thierry Stern, mentioned that he could easily produce more pieces, but they wouldn't be of the same level of quality. This is a choice that the company is deliberately making to ensure each watch is of the finest quality ever made. And now, can anyone own a Patek Philippe? Clearly, the luxury watchmaking company values quality, service, and attention to detail over everything else. Each timepiece that's created must be absolutely perfect. Despite all of this, the demand for these magnificent watches is only going up all around the world. Some of these watches are so popular and sought after that buyers might have to undergo an application process. The process is to largely determine whether they're genuine collectors who know the worth of the watch, and we're not just talking in terms of the monetary factor. Even high-profile collectors who really know and understand the craftsmanship of their watches will ultimately have to somehow prove themselves as someone with a genuine interest. Next, the subtlety of the brand. The company only makes about 20 to 30 new models each year, and they've got just about 200 models in their collection. Their core audience is pure affluents, who don't need the watch to show off as their wrist candy, but to own a timeless timepiece that collectors can save for the next generation to come. Like a grandfather buying one to give to his grandson one day. Warms our hearts to think about that. Modesty and subtlety are part of the brand's values, and those are what make the watches blend in and stand out at the same time, if you catch our drift. A Patek Philippe will quietly make its presence known. Those who understand and know its worth will choose subtlety over flash any day. And finally, the company's most precious resource. The most precious resource at Patek Philippe is quality, and the entire company is deliberately designed in a way to fully support it. They introduced their seal in 2008 and imposed the most rigid standards, exceeding well beyond what's expected in the industry. But the best part is that the quality isn't just limited to the watchmaking process. The luxury watch company is committed to providing quality in every aspect of the brand, from the watchmakers to the customer reps. Everyone in their employment is fully trained to provide service that is up to par with the company's incredibly high standards. The company has been led by the Stern family for over 80 years now and is in the 4th generation of the family's ownership. Imagine 4 generations of watchmakers and the stories they'd have to tell. We're sure their knowledge would be absolutely phenomenal. Being privately owned by the same family for many decades has allowed the brand to remain consistent with its philosophies and policies. With this direction, we're sure there won't be any major shifts in the future of the brand unless there's a big change in the management. That's a wrap for this video. Do you have any more thoughts about how Patek Philippe makes their incredible watches? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.